Hey guys, welcome to USA Market. In an era where visual content reigns supreme, the demand for high-definition video transmission has never been greater. Whether it's for professional broadcasting, live events, or immersive entertainment experiences, the need to seamlessly transmit 4K resolution video signals has become paramount. Enter the realm of 4K video transmitters, cutting-edge devices designed to deliver pristine picture quality and unparalleled clarity across vast distances, without compromising on fidelity. These technological marvels serve as the backbone of modern multimedia systems, enabling users to transmit breathtaking visuals with minimal latency and maximum reliability. From capturing the intricacies of cinematic landscapes to facilitating real-time collaborations in corporate environments, the versatility and performance of 4K video transmitters have revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with visual content. In this dynamic landscape, selecting the right 4K video transmitter can make all the difference, driving innovation, efficiency, and creativity in countless applications. Let's explore the top 5 contenders in this competitive market, each offering its unique blend of features, performance, and reliability to elevate your video transmission experience to new heights. Number 5. Hollyland Mars 300 Pro 4K Video Transmitter. As a content creator constantly seeking innovation in the realm of video transmission, I recently had the opportunity to test out the Hollyland Mars 300 Pro 4K video transmitter. After putting it through its paces in various shooting conditions, I'm thrilled to share my experience with this cutting-edge device. First and foremost, the Mars 300 Pro impresses with its compact design and robust build quality. Whether on location shoots or in studio setups, its sleek form factor and durable construction make it a reliable companion for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The inclusion of both NPF battery and Type-C power supply options ensures uninterrupted operation, catering to diverse shooting environments. Number 4. VRRIIS WL095 4K Video Transmitter. The VRRIIS WL095 4K Video Transmitter is a sleek and efficient solution for transmitting high-quality video signals. As an avid tech enthusiast, I had the pleasure of testing out this device, and it certainly impressed me with its performance and features. One of the standout features of the WL095 is its ability to transmit 4K video, ensuring crystal clear visuals that are essential for professional applications, such as presentations, gaming, and content creation. The clarity and detail in the transmitted video are truly remarkable, providing an immersive viewing experience for both creators and viewers alike. Number 3. VRRIIS WL097 4K Video Transmitter. The VRRIIS WL097 4K Video Transmitter is a cutting-edge device that offers impressive functionality for transmitting high-definition audio and video content wirelessly. As someone who values seamless connectivity and top-notch performance, I was eager to put this product to the test. Here's my comprehensive review. The standout feature of the WL097 is its ability to support 4K high-definition video transmission. During my testing, I was impressed by the clarity and sharpness of the video output. Whether streaming movies, gaming, or conducting professional presentations, the WL097 delivered stunning visuals without any noticeable lag or distortion. Number 2. PXJM300 Pro 4K Video Transmitter. The PXJM300 Pro 4K Video Transmitter is a game changer in the world of wireless video transmission. As a photographer and videographer, I've had the opportunity to test out numerous products in this category, and the JM300 Pro truly stands out for its exceptional performance and reliability. First and foremost, the 4K video transmission capabilities of this device are remarkable. Whether I'm capturing footage for a professional project or simply experimenting with my own creative endeavors, the clarity and crispness of the video feed remain consistently high. This level of detail is essential, especially when working on projects that demand uncompromising quality. Number 1. Qkens JM300 Pro 4K Video Transmitter. The Qkens JM300 Pro 4K Video Transmitter is a powerful wireless extender designed to elevate your video streaming experience to the next level. With its high-definition support for 4K content, this device promises crystal clear visuals and seamless transmission of audio and video content. One of the standout features of the JM300 Pro is its wireless connectivity, which eliminates the need for cumbersome cables and allows for greater flexibility in setting up your home entertainment system. The device supports Wi-Fi transmission, ensuring a stable and reliable connection for uninterrupted streaming. Thank you guys.